Hello everyone. So I know you are fearful of public speaking. You get scared when you see public. This is the only reason being that you have never given a try to give a presentation. You always push other people to give the presentation. If you are from any group or in your school or in your team, you never wanted to give a presentation. Reason being because you know once you will be there in front of the audience, you need to look at the audience and audience are going to look at you. So you are going to be the center of attraction and you do not want to be seen. That is the major problem because you think that if people are going to look at me, of course, that is going to make you nervous, which is pretty much obvious. Like we are human beings, we get nervous when we see that everybody is looking at us. So that is another case. And on the other hand, if for example, when you are going to speak, like when you will be speaking and everybody is going to look at you, oh my goodness, this is going to give you goosebumps. This is going to give you nightmare. And this is the reason majorly people do not want to come forward and they want to speak in front of public, right? But you know, it is not going to happen. This is not going to work for you as well. And why it is not going to work for you, I'm going to share that insight as well. But before that, hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shruti Soni, your corporate communication coach and English coach as well. And if you're new to this channel, then I would request you kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get the notification of my future videos. And let me tell you, right now I'm on the mission in making the videos, the raw videos particularly for communication, so that you should also see, feel, or get a reflection that how real communication skills looks like. Okay, so you will not find any fancy editing, no script, no cuts, right? Nothing is there. I just have the keywords in my mind and that's it. This is what I'm going to do. So I really want to have a one-to-one conversation, and the purpose is so that you could see that, okay, this is the real communication skills, right? Okay, so moving forward. So the first thing that how it is not going to work for you, because till when you are going to hold you back? Till when? कब तक आप अपने आप को पीछे करते रहेंगे? कब तक? And there will be a point in your life where you will be frustrated ki, oh my goodness, everybody is growing in their life. When you will see around yourself, you will see that sab aage badh rahe. Everyone is getting the growth in their career. And why they are getting the growth in their career? There are multiple reasons, but majorly the reason, definitely it is your skill and it is your knowledge. But more than that, how you present yourself, right? How do you present yourself? And once it comes to like presenting yourself, of course, you need to speak up. You need to speak up in the meeting. You need to have that courage, that power to give a presentation. You need to have that courage to hold the mic. So that courage of speaking up has to be there. Has to be there. And if you would avoid that part, let me tell you, in this 21st century where the competition has been so dynamic, you need to pull yourselves together. Let me tell you, pretty much clear, right? So if you have never thought of speaking up, you have never thought of कि okay, let it be, कल करूंगा, कल बोलूंगा, let me tell you, वो कल कभी भी नहीं आएगा. आपका वो आज ही है. वर्क प्लेस में, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में कभी कल नहीं आता. let me tell you, कभी भी कल नहीं आता. अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से कह रही हूँ, ठीक है? कल नहीं आता, आपको अपना आज बनाना पड़ता है जिससे कि कल आपका अच्छा हो. So you need to work today so that your future will be brighter. Okay, your present is the foundation of your future. Always remember this. Always remember this, right? So never always push yourself. गलती करेंगे ना, गलती से सीखेंगे, right? लोग हंसेंगे, हंसने दो, क्योंकि the people are not coming to save you from any of the situations, right? जो भी situation है, जो भी difficulties है, कोई नहीं आ रहा है. Nobody, like they can only sympathize with you. Understand this thing. They only sympathize with you. और वो कुछ नहीं करेंगे. Ultimately आपको ही अपना करियर, आपको ही अपनी लाइफ बनानी है. तो हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, उसके लिए हमें बोलना पड़ेगा, हमें आगे आना पड़ेगा, right? So today I will be sharing only one technique. कुछ ज्यादा नहीं. ऐसे कहने को तो बहुत सारी टेक्निक है, बस एक सिंपल टेक्निक मैं आपको बता रही हूँ जो आप बिल्कुल यूज करिएगा जब भी you get an opportunity to give a presentation. आप तैयारी पूरी करिए. बस मैं आपको वो टेक्निक बता रही हूँ कि जब लोग इतने सारे होते हैं ना, तो उन लोगों को अपन को कैसे देखना चाहिए. Right? Because it is impossible. It is impossible. So if you will learn this technique, it will help you a lot. बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगी to diffuse your hesitation so that you will be confident enough. आप नर्वस कम होंगे, आपको क्योंकि टेक्निक पता है, क्योंकि आपको इस टेक्निक से पता है कि आप लोगों को देख तो रहे हो लेकिन आप एक्चुअली लोगों को नहीं देख रहे हो. Okay, so this technique is known as 5-5 rule in public speaking. What is 5-5 rule? So in the public, like once you will be on the stage or holding the mic or giving the presentation, आप 5 लोग पकड़ लो. Okay, just hold any, like you know, scan any 5 faces. The first 5 rule में पहला 5 है कि कोई से भी 5 लोगों को आप पकड़ लो. ठीक है ना? ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे 5 लोगों को पकड़ लो, है ना? एंड हर इंसान पे यू जस्ट नीड टू गिव अ गेज फॉर 5 सेकंड्स. लाइक बोलते 5 सेकंड ऐसे बोलते वी नीड टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. ओके, गिव अ 5 सेकंड का पॉज एंड अगेन रिपीट दैट. Okay, so the first 5 is scan 5 phases. Second 5 is hold your gaze for 5 seconds on each phases, and the last 5 is 5 is just give a relax to yourself, to your eyes, and again repeat this pattern. It is 5-5-5 rule. So once you will do, okay, your brain knows कि, okay, how I am supposed to see the people, okay, मुझे कैसे क्या करना है. You will get to know, and once your brain is trained in that matter, you will not be terrified, you will not feel nervous, and you will be able to give this presentation, right? So try this technique. Trust me, थोड़ा सा practice करिएगा beforehand, right? And try this technique. And छोटा छोटा, ऐसा नहीं कि सीधे अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा डरते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं सीधे जाके स्टेज पे जा रहे हैं तब भी आप कर सकते हैं, बट बिफोर हैंड ओनली, जब भी आप छोटी छोटी मीटिंग्स में भी आप इस टेक्निक को ट्राई करिए. यू आर सिटिंग एंड ट्राई टू सी पीपल, कि मैं लोगों को देखता हूँ, उनका जब उनका फेस को देखता हूँ तो मुझे कैसा लगता है. तो पहले उस फीलिंग से कंफर्टेबल हो जाइए आप. वंस यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल, ओके मैं इस इंसान को देख पा रहा हूँ 5 सेकंड के लिए, ठीक है, नाउ आई फील कंफर्टेबल. फिर दूसरे इंसान को, फिर तीसरे इंसान को, फिर चौथे इंसान को. सो फर्स्ट ट्राई दिस टेक्निक, है ना, नॉर्मली मीटिंग्स में लोगों से बात करते हुए आप टेक्निक अप्लाई करें and get comfortable with this technique. And once you will get comfortable, let me tell you, nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. And you can thank me later. Try this technique and इस experience मुझे जरूर बताइएगा comments में. And what are the other parts of public speaking that you always get afraid of? ठीक है ना, लोगों को देखना एक one of the fears जो मैंने आज बताया, और कौन कौन से डर है public speaking के, वो आप मुझे बताएं comments में. में से होगा तो जरूर definitely I'm going to make a video on it. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.